Who doesn't love chocolate-covered peanuts? Whenever my husband and I go to the store and we want chocolate or we want something sweet, it's normally chocolate-covered peanuts or chocolate-covered raisins or something chocolate-covered. So today we're going to make homemade chocolate-covered peanuts. Welcome to Southern Glance with Gail. This is the easiest chocolate-covered peanuts that there is. It's called a Crockpot chocolate-covered peanuts. And all we're going to do is we're going to dump in 4 things. We're going to first start with almond bark. And that's almond bark. That's 24 ounces. And this is what it is. It's just almond bark, and I've just cut it just pieces. And then we're going to put in Baker's unsweetened chocolate, or it doesn't have to be Baker's, it's just unsweetened chocolate, and that's 3 ounces of those. Then a package of chocolate chips. I'm using milk chocolate chips because I like milk chocolate. And then we're just going to dump in 24 ounces of dry roasted peanuts. And that's it. So now we're going to close this up. We're going to turn it on low. We're going to just let that melt, and we're going to come and stir it every once in a while. And then we're going to dish it out on parchment paper. The chocolate covered peanuts are finished. Look how good they look. They're stirring so that it's super smooth. And so we're going to turn it off. This is going to make peanut clusters. So all I'm going to do is just dish it out onto this parchment paper. Now we have already dished out all of our chocolate covered peanuts, and we're going to put them in the refrigerator and let them set. One of the problems with putting it in the refrigerator is you have all these pins, because this makes a lot of chocolate covered peanuts. So the best way I found is that I have these little pans that I'm just going to put this, it's like a broiler pan. I'm just going to put this right on top of it and stack them up just like this. And that way, we just have one set of pans to go in there. Whenever you have something like this, we can just actually just put that right on top. Let me show you. And it's already setting up pretty nicely. Okay, we'll see you back after it has set. Notice all the chocolate little sprinkles here? They just pop off very easily. So let's see, let's find some. Like this one right here, all you do is just break it off. And then we're just going to put them in on a little dish, and they are going to be ready to serve. So you can serve them like this, or you can put them in gift bags and give them out, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring these up to work tomorrow and give those out. So I'm going to give some of these to the other people at my work, and then we're going to just set this, and this is going to be for some of the nurses up there at work. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so that you can be notified when more videos come out. And we do have some really good recipes on Southern Glance with Gail. Thanks again for watching, and God bless you.